good morning, guys. I want to show you my pambahay outfit for today. Ayan, guys. My crop top for today. I really love it, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Ayan. Alam niyo ba kung magkano ito, guys? For only 50 pesos. I really love it, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Pack na pack siya, guys. Sa ang ating likuran. Nag-shape na yung aking likuran, guys. Ayan. Sa aking pag-i-exercise daily, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack siya. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan po. I feel so happy, guys. And, ayan, nagkaroon na tayo ng abs, guys. Look. My abs here. And then, guys, my tummy. Ayan, I need to exercise more, guys, for my tummy. Ayan. I'm doing like this every day. Ayan. My daily exercises, guys, to flat my tummy. Look. Ayan. Kunting exercise na lang siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Only, kunting exercise na lang yan. I really love my fashion for today, guys. Ayan. Bye. Ayan. This is my daily routine, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. I'm doing like this every day to shape my body, guys. Look, may likod, guys. Ayan, nag-shape na siya, guys. Ayan, nag-shape na yung aking likuran, guys. And then every day I'm doing squat, guys, to bigger my butt. Ayan, my daily exercises, doing like this every day, guys. I count 1 to 100. Ayan, 1 to 100, guys, doing like this. A squat every day. Ayan, to bigger my hips and to bigger my butt. Ayan, this is my daily routine, my daily exercises. And guys, ayan, medyo nakakapagod lang. Ayan, I feel tired, but I need to do this because I need to fit my body. I need to flat my belly, guys. Ayan. So, I guess medyo napagod na tayo. Ayan. And then this one, this kind of exercise, guys. Ayan. For my tummy, for my belly. Ayan. This is my daily routine. Ayan, guys. So, medyo nag-shape na yung ating body, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan, konting exercise na to, guys. And medyo napagod na ako. Ayan po. Ayan. So, this is my fashion for today. Ayan, guys. OMG. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. Bye!